हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेल। आज इस लेक्चर में हम प्री मेडाइवल पीरियड को स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं। इस लेक्चर में हम इसी टॉपिक से रिलेटेड इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस को देखेंगे जो डिफरेंट गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम्स में पूछे जा चुके हैं। अगर आपने प्रीवियस लेक्चर को नहीं देखा है तो आप प्लेलिस्ट में एंशिएंट हिस्ट्री वाले सीरीज में जाके देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए बिना देरी किए चैप्टर को स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है? Who among the following ruler is famous as Prithviraj Chauhan? Ruler of Ajmer, who was Prithviraj III, was commonly known as Prithviraj Chauhan, who defeated Muhammad Ghori in First Battle of Tarain in 1191 AD. Okay, but उनको हार का सामना करना पड़ा था सेकेंड बैटल ऑफ तराइन में। फर्स्ट बैटल ऑफ तराइन में पृथ्वीराज चौहान की जीत हुई थी, बट सेकेंड बैटल में उनकी हार हुई थी। ओके, जो कि सेकेंड बैटल ऑफ तराइन था। ये कब लड़ा गया था? 1192 AD में। ओके, इसका क्या आंसर हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन सी। Epigraphic records, which is inscription, suggest that in ancient India the ruler of Bihar had contact with Tipala king Devpala. ये एक बुद्धिस्ट थे। He was also known as Param Saugat as per the text. Okay, he donated 5 villages on the request of Java king Balputra Dev for developing a Buddhist Bihar in Nalanda. Okay, so correct answer is option D, Java. Next question. Jika Bhukti was the ancient name of, it was the ancient name of Bundelkhand. Okay, this region was named over Jai Singh or Jeja, who was the grandson of Nanuk, who was the founder of Chandel king. Who was the Chandel king? Okay, so correct answer is option B. Dhangdev was the ruler of which dynasty? Dhangdev, also known as Dhanga, who was a king of the Chandel dynasty of Jika Bhukti. He built Kandariya Mahadev temple. Okay, so correct answer is option A. Pundravardan Bhukti was located in the region of North Bengal in ancient time. Its territory was expanded to northern Bihar during the era of Pala, Chandra and Sen dynasty. Okay, so correct answer is option A. Who was the founder of Pala dynasty? According to the Tibetan historian Lama Taranath Gopala, the founder of Pala dynasty was born near Pundravardan and he was elected the king of Bengal. So correct answer is option C. Who among the following had built the Sompura Mahavihara? Dharampal was an enthusiastic Buddhist. He was called Param Saugat in his inscription. Okay, he constructed famous Buddhist monastery at Vikramshila and Somapuri. According to Taranath, Dharampala founded 50 religious schools, but he had no religious intolerance and bigotry as a king. Okay, so correct answer is option C. Which ruler of Bengal founded the ancient university called Vikramshila? This question is very important. King Dharampal of Bengal established the Vikramshila University in 770 to 810 AD. Okay, after the downfall of Nalanda University, Vikramshila University was developed as the main center of Buddhist religion. So correct answer is option A. Which one of the following rulers established Vikramshila University? अभी हमने देखा धर्मपाल. Who founded the Vikramshila University? इसका करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज धर्मपाल. Vikramshila Mahavihar was established by the ruler of Pala dynasty. Okay, Vikramshila Mahabir, which was a great center of education in ancient India, it was established by Dharampal. ये क्वेश्चन बार बार पूछा जा रहा है. Who among the following was the founder of Vikramshila University? Dharampal. In which modern state the University of Vikramshila was located? Vikramshila University was established by Pala ruler Dharampal in at Bhagalpur in Bihar. Okay, Vikramshila curriculum taught formalized Vedic learning including Vedic text, rituals and the Vedangas such as reasoning, medicine, law, astronomy and city planning. So correct answer is option C. Which one of the following places was not the center of learning during early medieval period? This is important question. Taxila was early Buddhist center of learning. It was the capital of Gandhar state located in present day Rawalpindi state of Pakistan. ये सब हमने पहले भी देखा है, आपको याद होगा. चाणक्य और कौटिल्य, the Maurya emperor of Chandragupta, the Ayurvedic healer Charak and Jivak studies at तक्षशिला, इन तीनों ने यहाँ पढ़ाई किया था. The Vedas and the 18 art which include skills such as archery and elephant lore we taught. Nalanda University was established in 5th century AD by Kumar Gupta. Okay, at the beginning of 12th century, Muslim ruler Bakhtiyar Khilji sacked the university. Dharampal established Bikramshila University in Bhagalpur, Bihar. University of Udantpur was established during the rule of Pala dynasty. ओके, ये बॉक्स बहुत ही ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये आपको याद रखना है. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? इसका आंसर हो जाएगा तक्षशिला. Who among the following laid the foundation of Rashtrakuta Empire? In 736 AD, Danti Durg laid the foundation of Rashtrakuta Empire. His original name was Danti Varman. Okay, his capital was Manyakheta. It is said that Danti Durga had performed Hiranyagarbha oblation in Ujjain. Okay, so correct answer is option B. Who out the following perform a ritual called Hiranyagarbha? अभी हमने देखा दंती दुर्ग. Who among the following was born in a military camp in the course of his father's campaign? Rashtrakuta king Amugvarsha I was born in 800 AD in Sribhan near Narmada river in a military camp during the time when his father Govind III was returning after successful campaign of North India. So correct answer is option A, that is Amugvarsha राष्ट्रकूटा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में हमें अरेंज करना है. अरेंज द नेम ऑफ द फॉलोइंग हिस्टोरिकल पर्सनालिटीज इन करेक्ट क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर एंड सेलेक्ट द आंसर फ्रॉम द कोड गिवन बिलो. करेक्ट क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर ऑफ दिस हिस्टोरिकल पर्सन इज, सबसे पहले क्या हो जाएगा? वत्सराज. सबसे पहले हो जाएगा वत्सराज, देन नागभट्ट सेकंड, देन महेंद्रपाल, लास्ट में आ जाएगा महीपाल. ओके, सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी. द ग्रेटेस्ट प्रतिहार किंग वाज, द ग्रेटेस्ट प्रतिहार किंग वाज मिहिर भोज. धर्मपाल वाज प्रोमिनेंट किंग ऑफ पाला डायनेस्टी. महेंद्रपाल वाज प्रतिहार monarch, while हर्षवर्धन वाज किंग ऑफ पुष्यभूति डायनेस्टी. सो करेक्ट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज मिहिर भोज. द ग्रेट जैन स्कॉलर Hemchandra adorned the court of an eminent Jain scholar. Hemchandra got fame during the period of Solanki king Jaisimha Siddharaj. Okay, however, he adorned the court of his successor Kumar Pala as an advisor. So इसका correct answer हो जाएगा option B, that is Kumar Pal. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में हमें अरेंज करना है इन करेक्ट क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर एंड सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट आंसर फ्रॉम द कोड गिवन बिलो. सबसे पहले हो जाएगा यशोवर्मा, देन धांगा, देन विद्यावर्धा, देन लास्ट में कीर्ति वर्मन. सो करेक्ट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन ए. Who among the following is credited with initiating a new Samvat? Lakshman Sen was the king of Sen dynasty. Reigned 28 years. He initiated a new Samvat which is called Lakshman Samvat. Okay, so correct answer is option D. The Lakshman era was started by which of the following dynasty? Sen dynasty. Next question. Who among the following were famous jurists of medieval era? Famous jurist of medieval era was Vigyanesvara, Himadri and Jimutavahana. Okay, so correct answer is option C. The great Sanskrit poet and dramatist Rajsekhara was in the court of वो इंद्र थर्ड और महेंद्रपाल फर्स्ट दोनों के कोर्ट में थे, इसलिए इसका करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन सी एंड डी बोथ हो जाएगा. ओके, Sumatra. This question is very important. Kumar Devi, who was a queen of Govind Chandra Gohadawala, constructed धर्म चक्र जैन विहार. कहाँ पे बनाया था ये? Queen of Govind Chandra Gohadawala, Kumar Devi was a Buddhist. Okay, she constructed धर्म चक्र जैन विहार in Sarnath. So correct answer is option D. According to Hamir Mahakavya, the Chauhans were, Hamir epic reports Chauhans as Suryavanshi. Okay, so correct answer is option D, that is Suryavanshis. Next question देखेंगे. Alha Udal were related to, this was belong to Mahoba. They were commandant of Chandel king Parmar Dev, okay, who died during the battle with Prithviraj Chauhan. Description of Chandel and Chauhan's terrific struggle is proven in Prithviraj Raso and Parmal Raso by Chandra Vardai and Alha Kand by Jagnik. So correct answer is option C. When Dash was born, the earth sang 2.5 hands. Above statement is related to which historical personality of Uttar Pradesh? This statement is related to Alha of Mahoba. Okay, so correct answer is option C. The author of Prithviraj Raso is Chandra Vardai. ये आपको पता होगा. Who is the author of पृथ्वी राजा विजया? इसके author थे जया नाका. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? अब्दुल रहमान हामिर रासो. दिस इज रॉन्ग. हमीर रासो लिखा था सारंग देव ने. ओके, अदर ऑप्शंस आर करेक्ट. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए. चंद्रवरदाई किसने लिखा था? पृथ्वीराज रासो ने. जागनिक लिखा था अल्लाह खान ने एंड नरपति नाल लिखा था विशाल देव रासो ने. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग राजपूत डायनेस्टी फाउंडेड द सिटी ऑफ धीलिका विच इज दिल्ली इन द 8th century? Anangpal Tomar Rajput, originally feudatories of Gurjar Pratihar, founded the city of Dhilika, that is modern Delhi. So correct answer is option C. Next question देखेंगे. Jika Bhukti was the ancient name of, it was the ancient name of Bundelkhand. This region was named over Jai Singh or Jeza, who was the grandson of Nanuk, who was the founder of Chandel king. Okay, so correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Bundelkhand. Dangdev was the ruler of which dynasty? He was also known as Dhanga, who was the king of the Chandel dynasty of Jika Bhukti. Okay, he built Kandariya Mahadev temple. This is very important. Dhanga attained moksha by abandoning his body in waters of Ganga and Yamuna at Sangam Prayag. Okay, so correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Option A. Pundravardan Bhukti was located in, it was located in the region of North Bengal in ancient time. Its territory was expanded to northern Bihar during the era of Pal, Chandel and Sen dynasty. So correct answer is option A. Who was the founder of Pala dynasty? According to Tibetan historian Lama Taranath, Gopala, the founder of Pala dynasty, was born near Pundravardan and he was elected as the king of Bengal. So correct answer option C. Who among the following had built the Sompura Mahavihar? Dharampal was an enthusiastic Buddhism. He was called Param Saugat in his inscription. He constructed famous Buddhist monasteries at Bikramshila and Sompuri. Renowned Buddhist commentator Haribhadra was also a part of his court. Okay, according to Taranath, Dharampal founded 50 religious schools, but he had no religious intolerance and bigotry as a king. So correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Option C. Which ruler of Bengal founded the ancient university called Vikramshila? King Dharampal of Bengal established the Vikramshila University in 770 to 810 AD. After the downfall of Nalanda University, Vikramshila University developed हुआ था as the main center for the Buddhist religion. So correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Option A. Which one of the following rulers established Vikramshila University? अभी हमने देखा धर्मपाल. Who founded the Vikramshila University? Obviously Dharampal. Vikramshila Mahavihar was established by the ruler of Pal dynasty. Vikramshila Mahavihar, which is the great center of education in ancient India, it was established by Dharampal. This question is very important. Who among the following was the founder of Vikramshila University? Dharampal. In which modern Tez State, the University of Vikramshila was located. Vikramshila University was established by Pala ruler Dharampal at Bhagalpur in Bihar. Okay, Vikramshila curriculum taught formalized Vedic learning including Vedic text, rituals and the Vedangas such as reasoning, medicine, law, astronomy and city planning. So correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Option C. Which of the following place was not the center of learning during early medieval period? Taxila was an early Buddhist center of learning. It was the capital of Gandhar state. Okay. Nalanda University was established in 5th century AD by Kumar Gupta. Dharampal established Vikramshila University in Bhagalpur, Bihar. University of Udantapur was established during the rule of Pal dynasty. तो इसका क्या हो जाएगा करेक्ट आंसर? ऑप्शन सी. Who among the following laid the foundation of Rashtrakuta Empire? In 736 AD, Danti Durg laid the foundation of the Rashtrakuta Empire. His original name was Danti Varman. Okay, इनका कैपिटल क्या था? मन्याखेता था. It is said that Danti Durga had performed Hiranyagarbha oblation in Ujjaini. So correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Option B. Who out of the following performed a ritual which is called Hiranyagarbha? अभी हमने देखा Danti Durg. Next question देखेंगे. Who among the following was born in the military camp in the course of his father's camping? Rashtrakuta king Amoghavarsa I was born in 800 AD in Sri Bhavan near Narmada river in the military camp during the time when his father Gobind III was returning after successful campaign of North India. Okay, so correct answer is option A. Next question में हमें arrange करना है. Arrange the name of following historical personalities in correct chronological order and select the correct answer from the quote given below. करेक्ट क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर क्या हो जाएगा? सबसे पहले हो जाएगा वत्स राजा. इनका टाइम पीरियड हो जाएगा 775 से 800 एडी. देन नागभट्ट सेकंड का हो जाएगा, इसका हो जाएगा 800 टू 833 एडी. देन इसके बाद महेंद्र पाल का हो जाएगा, इसका 885 टू 910 एडी. देन लास्ट में महिपाल, इनका टाइम पीरियड था 912 से 944 एडी का. ओके, सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी. The greatest Pratihar king was Mihir Bhuj. Dharampal was prominent king of Pala dynasty. Mahendra Pal was Pratihar monarch, while Harshvardhan was king of Pusya Bhuti dynasty. Okay, so correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Option C. The great Jain scholar Hemchand adorned the court of the eminent Jain scholar Hemchandra got fame during the period of Solanki king Jaisimha Siddhiraj. Okay, however he adorned the court of his successor Kumar Pala as an advisor. So correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Option B, that is Kumar Pal. Next question क्या है? Arrange the name of the following ruler in correct chronological order and select the correct answer from the quote given below. सबसे पहले हो जाएगा यशु वर्मा का टाइम पीरियड, उसके बाद हो जाएगा धांगा, देन विद्याधारा, देन लास्ट में कीर्ति वर्मा. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए. Who among the following is credited with initiating a new Sambat? Lakshman Sen was the king of Sen dynasty who reigned for 28 years. Okay, he initiated a new Sambat called Lakshman Sambat. So correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Option D. The Lakshman era was started by which of the following dynasty? अभी हमने देखा Sen dynasty. Who among the following were famous jurists of medieval India? The famous jurists of early medieval India were हिमाद्री हो जाएगा, विज्ञानेश्वरा हो जाएगा एंड जिमुत वाहन हो जाएगा. सो करेक्ट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन सी. द ग्रेटेस्ट संस्कृत पोएट एंड ड्रामासिस्ट राजशेखर वाज इन द कोर्ट ऑफ, ये महिपाल एंड महेंद्र पाल फर्स्ट दोनों के कोर्ट में थे, इसलिए इसका करेक्ट आंसर बी एंड सी बोथ हो जाएगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में हमें मैच करना है. डायनेस्टी दिए गए हैं और उनके कैपिटल दिए गए हैं. प्रतिहार का कैपिटल कन्नौज हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट क्या दिया हुआ है? चोला का कैपिटल तंजौर हो जाएगा. ओके, परमार का कन्नौज एंड सोलंकी का धारा. ओके, सो करेक्ट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन डी. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वाज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सी पोर्ट इन ककातिया किंगडम? Motupalli was a very important seaport in the Kakatiya kingdom. The seaport is presently located in the Krishna district of Andhra Pradesh. The port was visited by Italian traveler Marco Polo. Okay, so correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Option B. The Gurjar Pratihar dynasty was founded by. Pratihar dynasty was the most famous dynasty of Rajput of Agni clan. It is also known as Gurjar Pratihar dynasty because of its link with Gurjar. Gurjar were first mentioned in Aihole inscription of Pulkesin II, as well as in the Harshcharitra of Ban Bhatt. Nag Bhatt first was the founder of this dynasty. He destroyed the army of Maleksha ruler and thus he also saved Western India from Arabs invasion. It is mentioned in Gwalior inscription. ये आपको याद रखना है. So correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Option A. Which of the following ruler does not belong to Gurjar Pratihar dynasty? Nagbhat II, Devpal I and Mahendrapal I. These all are belong to Gurjar Pratihar dynasty. जबकि Bharat Bhatta first was not belong to this dynasty. So correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Option D. Adivara was the title of which Gurjar Pratihar ruler? Miri Bhoj was the most important ruler among the Gurjar Pratihar. He was the follower of Vaishnavism. He attained the title of Adivara or Pravas. Okay, so correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Option C. Who among the following was not a part of tripartite struggle? After the death of Harshvardhan, Kannauj was the center of attraction for various powerful dynasties. It was compared with Magad during the Gupta period. In order to control the territory, Pal, Pratihar and Rashtrakuta started a tripartite struggle. Pal, Gurjar Pratihar and Rashtrakuta के बीच में हुआ था, which has been described as a most important event in the history of North India during the 8th and 9th century. Okay, last में क्या हुआ था? प्रतिहार की जीत हुई थी. So correct answer is option D. Which were the three dynasties who were engaged in the tripartite struggle of Kannauj? अभी हमने देखा था पाल, गुर्जर प्रतिहार एंड राष्ट्रकूट. ओके, सो करेक्ट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन सी. महोदया इज एन ओल्ड नेम ऑफ, इट वाज द ओल्ड नेम ऑफ कन्नौज. ये आपको याद रखना है. Which of the following was known as Nagar Mahoday Sri? Kannauj is an ancient city whose ancient name was Mahoday Sri and Mahodaya during the reign of Mihir Bhoj. Okay, so correct answer option D. Who among the following granted financial aid for the restoration of a demolished mosque in Khambhat? Chalukya king Jayasimha Siddharaj was a tolerant religious king. Muslim author wrote that he granted financial aid of 1 lakh balom, that is currency, for the restoration of demolished mosque in Khambhat. Okay, so correct answer is option B. Who was the founder of Parmar dynasty? Parmar dynasty was founded in the first half of 10th century AD by a person named Upendra or Krishnaraj. Okay, city named Dhara was the capital of Parmar dynasty. इसका क्या आंसर हो जाएगा? Who was the founder of Parmar dynasty? Parmar dynasty के फाउंडर थे उपेंद्र और कृष्णराज. ऐसा कोई ऑप्शन यहाँ पे नहीं दिया गया है. Next question. King Bhoj ruled over. King Bhoj was the Parmar ruler. The early capital of Parmar was Ujjain. बाद में उनका कैपिटल ट्रांसफर हो गया था धारा. Okay, so correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Option B, that is Dhar. Who amongst the following wrote a book on artificial scientific equipment? The popular book Samarangana Sutradhara, written by Parmar King Bhoj, was based on artificial scientific equipment. तो ये सब बुक किसने लिखा था? इन सब बुक को भोज ने लिखा था. Okay, so correct answer is option A. The presiding deity of Bhojsala temple is located in Dhar district of Madhya Pradesh and was established by Parmar King Bhoj in 1035 as a Sanskrit school. Okay, the presiding deity of Bhojsala temple is goddess Saraswati. Now Bhojsala is situated in premise of Kamal Mola Mosque. So correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Option D. Who among the following was not a king of Parmar dynasty? उपेंद्र, मुंज, उदयादित्य, ये सब परमार डायनेस्टी के किंग थे जबकि गंगेयादेव नहीं थे. ओके, सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी. गंगेयादेव वाज द रूलर ऑफ कालाचुरी डायनेस्टी. ही अडॉप्टेड द टाइटल ऑफ विक्रमादित्य. ये आपको याद रखना है. इन्होंने एक गोल्ड कॉइन को इशू किया था आफ्टर इट्स एक्सटेंशन इन प्री मिडाइवल पीरियड. ओके, द ऑथर ऑफ गौरावाहो वाज, it was authored by Vakpati, who was a court poet of King Kannauj Yashovarman. So correct answer is option C. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में हमें फेमस प्लेस और रिलीजन्स दिए गए, इसको मैच करना है. बोध गया कहाँ है? ये गया डिस्ट्रिक्ट में है. दिस ऑप्शन इज रॉन्ग. खजुराहो बुंदेलखंड में है. दिस इज करेक्ट. शिरडी विदर्भा में नहीं है, ये अहमदनगर में है. नासिक मालवा में नहीं है, ये महाराष्ट्र में है. तिरुपति रायलासीमा में है. दिस इज करेक्ट. सो करेक्ट आंसर कौन सा हो गया? ऑप्शन 2 and 5 ओनली. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी. With reference to the economic history of medieval India, the term Agrahatta refers to. Agrahatta is a Persian wheel which was a mechanical water lifting device usually operated by animal like bullocks, buffaloes, or used in irrigation of land. Okay, it is mentioned in Panchtantra and Rastarangini. So correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Option C. तो इस लेक्चर में इतना ही था. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम medieval history of India को स्टार्ट करेंगे. अगर आपको ये लेक्चर जरा सा भी पसंद आया हो और आपके लिए जरा सा भी यूजफुल रहा हो तो काइंडली शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल.